Hi everybody, today we're going to be talking about the Apple Magic Keyboard. I got it finally. It is a wireless Bluetooth and rechargeable keyboard, and I got it with the numeric pad that I've missed so much from having an Apple MacBook Air, and this is the US English version, of course, but they have other versions as well. So let me get it open to show you guys what it looks like. I absolutely adore this packaging. It is so sleek, and this is one of my favorite parts, getting to rip all of that plastic out and take a look at this keyboard, you guys. It is beautiful, nice and big, and it's so comfortable to type in. I've been waiting to get a new keyboard, and I definitely wanted to go Apple, of course. Here comes with a little charging cord as well and a little instruction manual. I absolutely think this is a worthy investment, and the best part is how sleek it looks. Right here is the charging port if you ever need to recharge it, but my favorite part of this is the on and off button. It is not bulky, it is not huge, it is super tiny, and as you can see now it's on, and I can connect it to my Apple MacBook. I am so excited to try this out, guys. I definitely recommend it. Setting it up is so easy, so let's go do that right now. Alright, you guys, to connect it, I promise it is one of the easiest things ever. All you gotta do is go on your MacBook and open up the Bluetooth, and there you go. It's going to be by nearby devices. As you can see, it appears here as Magic Keyboard with Numeric Keypad. I'm gonna hit connect on it, and just like that, it's going to connect, and there you go. So let's test it out. All right, you guys, I opened up a note so I can type it out and say, hello, everybody. This is me, or should I say Mandy? This is Mandy typing on her new keyboard. Oh my god, you guys, definitely like this. And check this out, I'm actually going to put this next to my actual keypad so you can see how much bigger this is. Just a little bit bigger with the numeric pad in addition to it, but it's definitely going to be so much nicer and easier to type, and I can just have this on my desk and keep it there, and then whenever I need, I can transfer and do it just on my laptop's keyboard. But I definitely recommend having an extra one on the side just on your desk, because it does make a difference, especially when trying to type faster. This is definitely smaller, this is definitely a wider angle, so you can type so much better. Definitely recommend this. Go check it out, you guys.